Hello students, today the topic we are going to discuss is exercise 12.3 of class 8. In this exercise we will discuss a standard form. Standard form is a form in which a number is written in a easy form so that it is easy to read, easy to remember. For example, if there is any large number, this is a very large number, there are so many zeros, but in standard form it is easy to read and easy to write. As you can say that this number is difficult to read, this number is very difficult to read, but this number is very easy to read. As we can say that this is equal to 5.02 multiplied by 10 raised to power 11. So in a standard form, a very large number or a very small number is written in the form so that it is very easy to read. So in a standard form there we have two types. First is when a number is greater than 1 and second is when a number is less than 1. So our first type is when a number is greater than 1. For example, if we take a number this number is greater than 1, also it is very difficult to read, but in a standard form it will be so easy to read. We will change this number in this form. This is the main difference of between these two types. Second type, when a number is less than 1. When a number is greater than 1, this is the main difference. Power of 10 must be in the positive form, but when a number is less than 1, then power of 10 must be in the negative form. Now let's start our method. First of all, put the decimal after first non-zero number. I repeat, non-zero number. Here we can see that 4 is the first non-zero number. So we will put the decimal after 4. After putting the decimal, count all the digits after the decimal. Decimal के बाद जितने भी digit हैं आप उन सभी को count करोगे. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here we have 13 digits. So we will write here 10 raised to power 13. We have to write the non-zero digit, but zero digits को हम इसके अंदर नहीं लिखेंगे. So our final answer will be 4.038 multiplied by 10 raised to power 13. So here k, if we compare this number, k is 4.038 multiplied by 10 raised to power n, and n must be a positive form when a number is greater than 1. Next type is when a number is less than 1. Then its standard form will be k multiply 10 raised to power minus n. Let's take an example. As we can say that this number is less than 1 because there is a point decimal 0.00000. It is very difficult to read, but in standard form we will change it in a very easy form. So first step is put the decimal after first non-zero number. Here first non-zero number is 3. that means 3.69. But this is also a decimal of the same question. We moved this decimal to right hand side here. So count the digit between these 2 points. हमने इस डेसिमल को यहाँ से यहाँ तक मूव किया है, तो that's why we count the digit between these two decimals. Let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here power will be 10, and which is in the negative form because our number is less than 1. These are the main two type of our standard form. First is when a number is greater than 1, and second is when a number is less than 1. This is the simple form. This is called usual form. Simple form, when number is written in the simple form, it is called usual form, and second form is called standard form. Now let's start to do the examples of this exercise. First is we have to change the number in the standard form. Numbers are, first is 0.00096, second is 602, we have to change this number in the standard form. How can we change? First step is put the decimal after first non-zero, that is 9. So if we put here 9.6, then 10 raised to power will be in the negative form. Count the digit between this decimal and this decimal. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That means 10 raised to power minus 10. Here we have to write number is less than 1. That is why this is the second type of this form. Here number is greater than 1. So its standard form will be 6.02 multiply 10 raised to power, count the digit after the decimal, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So its standard form will be equal to 6.02 multiply 10 raised to power 13. Next is change the number in the usual form. That means you are given standard form of a number, you have to change the number in the usual form. First is 8.06 multiplied by 10 raised to power 9. Power of 10 is in the positive form, so we can say that this number is greater than 1. So what we write here, remove the decimal, and after the decimal take here 9 digit. जो भी 10 की पावर होगी आपको आफ्टर द डेसिमल उतने ही डिजिट्स बनानी है. अगर नहीं है तो आप क्या करोगे, 0 लिखोगे. So after the decimal count here 9 digit, 1 2, after that you have to put here 0. That means 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is the usual form of this number. Here we have to write that number is greater than 1. और कैसे पता लगा नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन 1? बिकॉज exponent power of 10 is in the positive form. Next is as exponent power over 10 is in the negative form, so we can say that this number is less than 1. So here we will write 3. First of all, write here number will be less than 1. So 308. Move the decimal in the left hand side. Here we have to move the decimal in the right hand side after the 9 digit. After the 9 digit we put here the decimal, but there is no need to put the decimal here. But here this number is less than 1. Move the decimal in the left hand side before 10 digit. So first पहले यहाँ पर डिजिट था, तो इस डिजिट से पहले आप 10 डिजिट बनाओगे. अगर नहीं है तो क्या करोगे, आप 0 लिखोगे. दिस इज फर्स्ट डिजिट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स, 7, 8, 9, 10. After here put the decimal, and before the decimal also put here 1 0. So this is the usual form. I am repeating. 10 is in the negative form, that's why this number is less than 1. Move the decimal in the right hand side. After 10 digit here put the decimal. So count 10 digit to left hand side, then put the decimal. When number is greater than 1, move the decimal to right hand side. After 9 digit there will be the decimal, but no need here to put the decimal. So this is the usual form. We changed here standard form to the usual form. Let's do one more question. Solve 3.2 multiply 10 raised to power 6 multiply 4.1 10 raised to power minus 1. We have to solve this number. First of all, multiply the like terms. These are like terms and these are like terms. 10 10 like terms, decimal like terms. So put these like terms in a same bracket. 3.2 multiplied by 4.1, and again 10 raised to power 6 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 1. And we know it very well, if base is same then powers must be add. So here we can write 10 raised to power 6 minus 1, that means 10 raised to power 5. Multiply those terms, then we get 13.12. So this will be our final solution. Okay.